Hey, welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely pumped to be here with you today because honestly, we're looking at something completely transformational. Think of me as your mentor, right? Like your technical co-founder who's already walked the exact path you're standing on right now. Today, I'm handing you the blueprint. This is derived straight from one of the most powerful success stories out there, mapping the precise journey from absolute zero to earning a passive $10,000 a month. We're going to break down exactly how to build an AI-powered digital product business that basically runs itself. So if you've been searching for financial freedom, for a way to break the chains of the daily grind and establish real automated passive income, you are in the exact right place. Okay, let's dive into this. Consider this your personal syllabus for breaking out of that 9-to-5 grind. First, we'll talk about escaping your financial struggle, then discovering the AI advantage. From there, building your automated empire, achieving the luxury lifestyle. And finally, how you can start your journey today. Section 1. Escaping your financial struggle. Let's talk about going from $0 to success. Look, I know the feeling of the current reality for so many people. You're sitting in a small, dark apartment, totally stressed out, looking at zero sales and unpaid bills. It's tough. But listen, this is not where your story ends. The actual goal here is $10,000 a month in pure passive income, unlocking that luxury success. I need you to hold these two realities in your mind at the same time, because crossing the bridge from one to the other is entirely possible. Now, what's really interesting about the starting point is that this dreaded $0 sales dashboard, it's universal. Literally, every single successful founder started exactly here. Seeing zero sales is not a sign of failure, okay? It's simply the blank canvas of your future business. It is that exact moment right before the breakthrough. Section 2, discovering the AI advantage. This is the ultimate cheat code. Now, this is where the narrative completely flips. Artificial intelligence is the great equalizer here. It's the cheat code that literally replaces years of traditional experience. Let's get really specific about your product line for a second. We're going to use AI to generate comprehensive ebooks, full online courses, digital templates, art, and even faceless YouTube content. And we're doing this rapidly at the absolute highest possible quality. But here's the kicker. We aren't just making a single product and hoping for the best. That's amateur hour. We are building AI automation systems. This means creating a digital framework that handles both the creation and the marketing of your products automatically. We're setting up smart, interconnected systems that do the heavy lifting for us, around the clock. Your business essentially becomes a machine that operates 24/7, whether you're sitting at your desk or fast asleep. Section 3, building your automated empire. Time for the hustle phase. Let's move to and see how this builds, because the momentum here is just incredible. Here is your exact technical blueprint. Step by step. Step 1, you deploy a ChatGPT-style assistant to ideate and create the core content for your ebooks and courses. Step 2, you establish your digital storefront using platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. Step 3, you implement automated email marketing to nurture your leads and drive those sales without any manual effort. And finally, Step 4, you connect Stripe and PayPal to seamlessly collect payments from anywhere in the world. This is your tech stack. It's lean, it's mean, and it is highly profitable. Let's ground this a bit to make it incredibly clear how these tools actually replace a traditional corporate workforce. Think of ChatGPT as your product development and copywriting team. Shopify or Gumroad, that's your global 24/7 retail space. And Stripe and PayPal serve as your automated finance department. You're orchestrating this massive output using software that costs literal pennies on the dollar compared to traditional business overhead. You are basically the CEO of an automated empire. Section 4, achieving the luxury lifestyle. The reward phase. Now, take a breath. We've transitioned from that intense building phase into the reward phase. This blueprint paints a super vivid picture of what that success looks like. We're talking about waking up in a high-rise apartment, driving a luxury car, traveling the world, and just relaxing. You get to actually experience life while your AI systems operate perfectly in the background. Why? Because you are no longer trading your precious time for money. Just imagine this. You're out getting coffee, or maybe you're sitting on a plane, and suddenly your phone lights up. Boom! A notification pops up on your lock screen. $327 today. Just out of nowhere. You didn't do any active work today, but your digital storefront sure did. Your AI-created course just sold while you were out living your life. And this brilliantly illustrates the true scale of what we're talking about. You check your weekly dashboard and see $2,450 for the week. This right here proves the cumulative power of automated passive income. It stacks, it grows, it flows into your accounts predictably, all because you put that automated AI framework in place at the start. That is the true power of this 10K a month blueprint. Section 5. Start your journey today. It's time to execute. Look, I'm talking right to you now. The time for just consuming information is over. So the crucial point is this: no degree, no experience, just AI. I need you to aggressively tear down whatever excuses are holding you back right now. You don't need a fancy university degree. You don't need a 10-year resume in the tech industry. You literally just need AI, an internet connection, and the sheer willingness to execute. Which leaves us with one final undeniable question. Will you start your AI digital business today? The tools are sitting right there, and the potential for a $10,000 a month passive income stream is just waiting for you. The only variable left in this equation is you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and honestly, I cannot wait to see what you built.